Time to make our clipboard. So this is probably the smallest clipboard you're ever likely to see. You use a length of the metal wire, I think it's 4 centimeters. Make a U shape, and I'm going to have this as the front of my clipboard. So it's a rough U shape. I'm going to poke both ends through the holes until I have that sort of arrangement. And then watch carefully, I'm going to push the back down so it's nice and tight, and then I'm going to push the front down. A little bit more. So it's flattened out a little bit. There we go. And then you push in a little piece there, and you'll notice that it can hold the paper quite nicely when it's tucked under. Now you can either cut these off, or you can use them and create them as a hook at the back. It's totally up to you. You can trim them and glue them if you want to. I tend to leave them as they are, because the aesthetic you want is that, which is going to have the acetate on the back. Not the acetate, I apologise. The transparent with the symbols.